Hello boys and girls, my name is Dave Brown, we are in Healthy Cocktails and today we learn how to make a gin fizz without gin. See you in a bit. So in this gin fizz with no gin, we will use only healthy or as usual elements. We have the lemon here, we have this amazing syrup that you should do if you saw the video I showed you before. This is a stevia water. I call it also syrup, but it's more like a water with stevia inside. And we have the juniper berries here, which we will work inside the shaker to take out the oil, because the difference between gin and vodka especially is this juniper berries. So we can start squeezing them strong. You can take out here, you don't have, it seems like the mint strong because the skin is quite hard, and you will squeeze them, and it's very healthy for you. It's good for your blood pressure, it's good for digestion, lemon also, and stevia also, so it's really a good component. It's anti-inflammatory also, so you can take it after making a gym or you have inflammation in your body. This is a very good element that you can use. Okay, when this is squeezed, we put the ice, okay, inside. This we put it on the side over there, and we put the ice inside the shaker. Okay, so it cools down as we saw before. We put the ice, although we won't leave the ice because it's not a Tom Collins. Tom Collins has ice. In this case, we are doing a gin fizz. So the gin fizz has no ice inside the glass. What we do here is refreshing the glass. Okay. So in this case, I'm using 2 lemons. If you have bigger lemons, a big lemon is fine also. But I like the small lemons because it has a lot of juice, full of vitamin C, antioxidants, cleans the liver, especially the juniper berries. Okay, and we will start putting inside of here the lemon. Okay, it's 4 centiliters in the case that I'm using. Okay, 4 centiliters is 2 small lemon. There you go. Oh, this went up high. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm a little bit infusing the juniper berry oil together with the lemon, and then because I put 4 centiliters of lemon, I put 8 centiliters of this water stevia. Okay, and in that case it's ready. What we'll do as usual, we'll take out the extra water. You see, it's very hot here today, so always try to empty the oil into the water so it's not watery, and then you shake. Stay strong. All right, so this one is a little bit hard to take out, but let's see if I can do it. Oh, I did it again. I'm very happy about it. We have you see the ice inside. It cooled down the glass a little. Okay, for me it's fine. So we just empty this. We have a cold glass. We have this preparation here, and now we will pour the lemon with the juniper oil inside. Okay, look at this, and the stevia, of course. We have the stevia water. All the juniper berries are here inside. What you can see is that it's not in the glass, but the oil is inside the glass already. So it's just amazing. You will see when you try it. If you try it, it's very like a gin drink, but with no gin. And we'll take this water. I like to take A little bit of salty water because we are always talking about healthiness, and this is a very good drink. It has about 27 minerals that normally a body would need. Out of 34 essential minerals, there is inside this drink 27, so it's not bad. And when you pour it inside, okay? Be careful not to pour it too fast because, as you can see, the foam is there. And here you go. We have here an amazing gin fizz with no gin. We call it this time the Juniper Berry Fizz. Enjoy, it's an amazing drink. Hey gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
Bring me a Tom Collins, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Let's try. But what is this? This isn't Tom Collins. And I'm in a hurry, come on. This is a gin fizz. It has no ice inside. Well, I'll try it anyway. Let's see. Such a refreshing drink. Is there gin inside? I told you without gin.
There is no gin.
Good. It's only the juniper berries. Cheers.